Over the last 10 years or so, there's been a really big shift, not only in eyewear, but in the fashion market. People wanting more sustainable products.
It's urgent to innovate with new materials, and it's urgent to prove that there's enough resources on the planet and to use them in a different way.
For us, it was a real opportunity to try and take an existing product and make it better, make it more interesting, make it more sustainable.
Our objective is to raise awareness about a critical problem, which is ocean contamination. They said by 2050 there will be more plastic than fish in the ocean. So we started placing containers in ports. We collect plastic, and so we recycle it. We bring back that waste into a reusable raw material. And that raw material, that plastic, is what we send to Italy to manufacture our glasses.
So we use a lot of wood, a lot of cork, a lot of aluminium, things like using handmade leather and stuff that looks great but is also really good for the environment. What's really great about using things like wood is that it's really soft, it's really tactile, no two pairs are the same, and that's something that people really buy into. They love the uniqueness. Cork is a really durable material. If you treat it well and look after it, it will last for years and years. A cork tree can be harvested, say, every 10 or 15 years. You don't have to chop it down. It's an ongoing process.
I think consumers are changing. Consumers are looking for experiences. They don't care about brands. They want to feel part of something. They want to know what they eat, how their clothes are made. Glasses means, something that you can wear, something that you can show off. It's just something that you have right in the middle of your face. And it makes you part of what we're trying to do, which is, I do my little bit, but you're spreading the change. You're becoming an ambassador of change. We live in a society that's moved by social networks. And what is that? It's ego, right? This fake world of social networks portraying a fake reality. And I thought people wearing our products could at least show off with something that made them feel good.